Alright guys, so we're starting kind of abrupt today. We're in a rush a bit. Adam LZ's open houses today, so we're all gonna go check that out. So far, Sebastian or my boy Mikey are already there. Same as usual, we gotta wake up Art and see if he can get up in time so that way Omar can ride with him, David's riding with me. Oh my God. And then we're gonna see if we can get there in time because apparently there's a lot of traffic. So I'm just gonna head straight to Art, see if I can get him up, and then we're gonna head straight to LZ's house. LZ's open house. And yeah, so this will be a nice little vlog for you guys. It's gonna be really like the first actual like in-depth one, I feel like. And yeah guys, hope you guys enjoy it. Art just sucks. But anyways, we're here at this man's house. He finally woke up. Yes, sir. It must be so nice to be this guy, bro. This guy's got 3 fucking cars. One of them's a boosted FRS that's just awaiting a tune, or I think has been tuned. I'm not sure. I have to ask him. A tuned BMW 335 with, I believe, a front mount and intake and who knows what else. And then this is the big baby right here. This is the long time girl he's had since like we were kids. It was his mom's car, and now look at it now. It's not a mom car anymore. Oh, and can't forget the Gucci Gang Mini Cooper.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
My ex bitch too bad, my next bitch way hotter. We met in the car crash, she riding like full throttle. I'm not sure.
I still think he has that car.
Right. You too?
Dude, it wasn't until like 2 days ago.
I hear a Civic turn on in the morning, and I'm like, oh, it's so close to speeding that 1000, but like...
Dude, for some reason, I still think Brian has the 370.
What up, B?
Good?
I knew already was coming out.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, as soon as you left us, you guys parked all the way over there. Yeah, we're over there. Well, we're not too far though. We're right at that stop sign. Where's the 240 at? Where'd you park at?
It's over there.
With the gang.
They got food over there?
All right, Boof. It's time for your car interview. What can you tell us a little bit about this whip right here?
Shitty. Nah,
This shit's fucking clean though.
This shit looking clean, boy.
I need to do that transmission swap ASAP.
Yes, sir. That shit turned off? Yo, whose fucking whip is this, dog? This shit's trash.
It's a piece of shit.
Wheels again. Since?
I'm gonna check you though. I'm gonna check you.
No, they're dirty. Dirty.
Oh no, he got it. He got
the
the board in the back.
Like this, where it's
All real skaters gotta have a board in the car.
dirty, but like in between.
All right, yo, Omar, give us a little intro. Where we at?
Shit, we got this fucking... Bro, look at this line, bro. Fuck the bullshit. I don't even care where we at.
No, we ain't getting no food today. At least not here.
I'm a Uber Eats.
Thanks. It'll be here quicker before you finish that line. Look at this. You gotta wait that whole line for some gringos? Nah, not worth it. This is what we came here for. Hey, big boost.
They're right here. No, they're here.
Take a good look, Sebastian. This can be you one day.
That's our 240.
Yeah, no, but I mean on the exterior standpoints.
That's what we gotta do.
Dude, I'm trying to get a E40.
Gotta get 350.
No, I'm trying to get a BMW drift car. Yo, CJ, what you doing, bro? What you doing, bro? You awesome, bro? You out here running on the ones and twos with your boys?
The 808s, buddy.
I feel you.
You just got here?
Yeah. Shit, it's just pretty dope though. Damn, bro. Shit's popping as fuck. Yo, Art, I'll give you $50 if you hop in there and you let me throw it. And if I miss, that's it. I get one shot. One shot, $50. What you mean?
I know you can't do it, but. You don't think you can hit that shit?
No, I'm saying I'm giving him $50 just to sit there. If I miss, I can take one shot. If I miss, I miss. If I don't, he's good. He goes out dry.
$50?
Yeah, I mean, he goes out wet. I mean,
$50. $50, I'm dry, or $50, I'm wet. It don't matter. But you, yeah.
your car, bro. That's your whip, right? Yo, what year is it? What year is your BMW, bro?
11.
It's an 11? And you said you swapped it? Oh, shit. Oh, you want bags? He said static with a fat ass. The tank's just for show, bro. That's just static.
It's nice though.
Good looks, bro. Alright, so that's a wrap for the open house. We're about to slide and go get some food at Blaze. And then after that, we're gonna squat up and go take some pics. And then, yeah, pretty much it. We'll catch up with y'all over at either some spot or, I don't know, wherever we go to take pictures and shit.
Sorry, I don't know how to park. That's all.
Ice on my wrist, dirt on my name. I might get defensive if you're hurt on my brain. I might make a list, then put it to grade.
Skip the arrow.
Call it a hit list for all of my pain. Oh, you the shit, homie, you late. You son of a biscuit, you don't know my pain. I got your predict. What is my name? But then I fall into habits. I gotta flip it and trap it. I need some digits specific and more terrific than rapping. I'm acting, what's cracking, lacking. The homie said it was bracking. I'm mad at my tax bracket. Is really looking like bad traffic. My bad habits got me fucked up like a jackrabbit. But this is just some slight shit, tight shit. About to get right shit before we hit the night shift. Night shift hit. Now it's feeling like a crisis. ISIS really about to blow up under my shit.